I'm scared.
The star of the show was a whole fried snapper.
Welcome to Key West! Hi there, we're Jess and Greg, and we're taking our van on an epic 10,000-mile journey all the way from Key West to Alaska.
This week, we're taking our van all the way to the southernmost point in the United States.
Good morning. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning and we are headed down all the way to Key West today. We are so excited. It's gonna be a really long day. First stop is gonna be an interesting form of breakfast. We started off our morning in Homestead, Florida at a harvest toast. We've been spending the last few weeks with our friends Joe and Lucas, and this weekend we are road tripping all the way down to Key West together. The Florida Keys were exposed during the last ice age when water levels dropped, exposing coral reefs and sandbars. Over time, the reefs became fossilized, which make up the island chain we know today. The primary rock is called Key Largo limestone, also known as Key Lime, which brings us to our first stop, the Key Lime Pie Factory. We're at the Key Lime Pie Factory trying key lime pie, which is Greg's first ever key lime pie.
I've waited almost 30 years to be in Key West to try my first key lime pie.
The one we got has meringue on it.
It does. It's very aesthetic, I'll say that. Very first piece of key lime pie. Stronger lime flavor than I anticipated, for sure. But the meringue cuts it. That's delicious. It's a perfect breakfast item, I would say. It's perfect.
Greg's a big sweets for breakfast guy.
All right.
You gonna let me try some?
That's addicting. Wow. Dang, it's good.
Ooh. Yeah, look at that. This is good.
This is the goal right here. Mile 0. So we're currently at the Rain Barrel Shops, which is, I guess, like a group of shops. There's at least 10 here, and you can also get food here, I guess. But we've just been walking around, checking out, seeing what they have. They have like local artists, glass blowing, and of course your typical souvenir shops.
We're here at Robbie's and we're gonna feed the fish. This is one of the things I've been most looking forward to in Key West.
All right, first one. Here we go. It's mildly terrifying.
I'm scared. It's so scary.
It's terrifying. It is terrifying. Welcome to Key West.
So I'm coming at you live from El Siboney's in downtown Key West. We ended up doing this meal family style. So we let our friend Lucas order whatever he wanted off the menu, and we ended up eating a whole bunch of things that I've never eaten before. And the star of the show was a whole fried snapper, which I've never had snapper before, but it was delicious.
We just got back to the van, and that is going to do it for our time in Key West here. There's nowhere to go but north from here. We're off to Alaska. We'll see you next week.
We are at the key lime pie factory trying key lime pie.
Falling off the chair.
On me, or should I hold it?
Whatever you want. I think you should put it on the end of this fork. He's gonna do it.